Hello students, in the last class we learned about tokens and then we made a program in C. That was our first program, and today we will make a program again, our first C program, and that we will be doing this time in VS Code, please. So go to your file. First of all, you need to open your folder. So open your folder, and here I have made a folder, C folder. So select this folder, and once you have selected, then you can create your file. Go here and create your file. I'll create my file as first.c file, first.c, and then I'll comment it. This is my first C program in VS Code. Then here you can include header files, hash include stdio.h. This is standard input output header file, so includes all the functions which can be used for getting input or either printing output on screen. So here we will start our program, and that we will start with the main. So I'll write here int main, and then in the int main I will firstly declare a variable, and that is my integer variable. So int num equal to 10. I have declared a num variable which is of integer type and initialized it by 10. Then I will print all the details about it which we did in the last class. So printf, we will use printf function, and here you can put \n so that the output will start from the next line. So \n, here you can say value of the variable is value of the variable is, you can put here %d, and then here we can put num. So value of the variable is %num, and then printf, address of the variable is here we will print address of the variable where it is residing. So here we will take hexadecimal, because as we discussed even in the last class, hexadecimals are used to store memory addresses. So %x, then here you can put the address of num, then address of num. Then next comes out printf, then here we will print type of the variable, type or size of the variable is, type or size of the variable is, this again will be in %d, because it will be printing the size in bytes, and though that bytes will be either 2 byte or 4 byte or 1 byte for character, so that will be as per given value. So here you can use size of function. It's a size of function, but actually it is a keyword, please keep in mind, size of num. And then as I have given here int, then here you can put return 0. So this way, this is my first program which I have made in VS Code. Here you will require a little bit configuration with the MinGW whenever you are planning to code in VS Code, either of C or C++. So for both you need to configure it. So once I have done it, now I can just save once, and then you can execute this code. So you can run code and you will get the output for this. So what did you get? You got value of the variable is 10, address of the variable is 61ff1c. This is actually memory address, and then type or size of the variable is 4 byte, type or size of the variable is 4 byte. Actually, see, this depends upon architecture of your computer. Otherwise, in the normal course, when by default in C, you'll get 2 bytes. Otherwise, if it's a taking architecture of higher than 16 bits, it will be 4 bytes. So this is my first program. So it is over. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.